Sound Partners 1, Lesson 40. Today we will learn about a new sound, the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word whale. Whale. Say whale slowly. Whale. That sound that you hear at the beginning of the word whale is made by WH, the two letters WH. Now let's practice with our sounds. Whale. Thumb. Kite. Whale. Box. Cherry. Whale. Nail. Lion. Table. Zipper. Dog. Cherry. Whale. Ed. Yellow. Itch. Cherry. Thumb. Table. Ed. Now let's review them again. Ready? Now with your pencil and paper, we're going to write the letters that we hear that represents the sounds that we hear. Number 1, write the letter that represents this sound. Number 2, Number 3, Number 4, Number 5, Number 6, Number 7, and the last sound, number 8. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, the letter E. Number 2, X. Number 3, WH. Number 4, CH. Number 5, Z. Number 6, Y. Number 7, I. And number 8, TH. Now we're going to sound out some words and then say them fast. Watch as I demonstrate with the word in the box. Ip, whip. Ready? Ip, whip. Ip, ship. Ish, dish. At, chat. Hush, am, wham, ought, lot, whim, et, yet, at, that, such, shut, in, when, chip, buzz. Now let's go back and read each word. Whip, ship, dish, chat, hush, wham, lot, whim, yet, that, such, shut, when, chip, buzz. What sound does ship start with? It starts with the sound sh. What sound does ship end with? It ends with the sound p. And what's the middle or vowel sound in ship? The I sound. What sound does wham start with? It starts with the sound wh. What sound does wham end with? It ends with the sound mm. What is the middle or the vowel sound in wham? The I sound. What is the first sound you hear in the word dish? D. What is the last sound you hear in the word dish? The sh sound. And what's the middle or vowel sound in dish? The I sound. What's the first sound you hear in the word vat? V. What's the last sound you hear in the word vat? T. And what's the middle or the vowel sound in vat? A. Now let's spell 3 of those words. The first word that we're going to spell is the word when. Let's stretch it out. When. When. When will you be going home? When. Now write the letters that you hear in the word when. The next word, whip. Ip. Whip. Write the letters that represent the sounds that you hear in ip. Whip. And the last word, buzz. Stretch it out with the sound boxes. Buzz. And now write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word buzz. All right, let's check your answers. When, N, WHEN, when. The next word was whip, 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 WHIP. And the last word, buzz, 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 buzz. Boys and girls, check to make sure that when you wrote the letter B, that the straight line is on the left side of the letter. Now we're going to practice reading some sight words. Today we have a new sight word, the sight word saw. SAW, saw. Now let's practice reading those words. Ready? Saw, SAW, saw. What, WHAT, what. Saw, SAW, saw. Were, WERE, were. Come, COME, come. They, THEY, they. Said, SAID, said. Some, SOME, some. What, WHAT, what. Saw, SAW, saw. There, THERE, there. They, THEY, they. Said, SAID, said. Let's read those again. Ready? Saw, SAW, saw. What, WHAT, what. Saw, SAW, saw. Were, WERE, were. Come, COME, come. They, THEY, they. Said, SAID, said. Some, SOME, some. What, WHAT, what. Saw, SAW, saw. There, THERE, there. They, THEY, they. Said, SAID, said. Now let's spell 3 of those words. The first word we're going to spell is the word some. The next word, saw. I saw the dog. Saw. And the last word, said. She said we would go home. Said. Okay, let's check your answers. The first word was some, S-O-M-E, some. The next word, saw, S-A-W, saw. And the last word, said, S-A-I-D, said. Now let's practice reading these sentences. I'll give you just a couple of minutes to practice on your own. All right, let's practice together. Ready? Come get. Come get some and sand to dig. Come get some sand to dig. I can feel. I can feel the dish. I can fill the dish with wet and sand. I can fill the dish with wet sand. I'll fill it and mash it. I'll fill it and mash it. Now let's put it together. Ready? Come get some sand to dig. I can fill the dish with wet sand. I'll fill it and mash it. Now we're going to listen to each word in the pair that I say. One word has an inside sound that is hard to hear, so listen carefully, and then you will write the words on your paper. The first pair of words is the words bent and bet. I bent the hanger. I bet I can run faster than you. Bent, bet. Write that pair of words on your paper. Bent, bet. Okay, let's check. Bent, B-E-N-T, bent, B-E-T, bet. The next pair, fan, flan. Fan, I will turn on the fan. I will eat flan for dessert. Fan, flan. Write those words on your paper. Okay, let's check your work. Fan, F-A-N, flan, F-L-A-N. The next pair, chimp and chip. Chimp, I saw a chimp in the zoo. Chip, be careful not to chip your front tooth. Chimp, chip. Write those on your paper. All right, let's check your work. Chimp is CHIMP. Chip is CHIP. Chimp, chip. The next pair of words are the words plot and pot. Can you discuss the plot of this story? I need a pot to cook in. Plot, pot. Okay, let's check. Plot is PLOT. Pot is POT. Plot, pot. The next pair, hand and had. Hand, had. I have a pencil in my hand. I had a cold. Hand, had. Now let's check your answer. Hand, HAND, had, HAD. Hand, had. And the final pair of words are the words clamp, clap. I put a clamp on the wire. I will clap my hands. Clamp, clap. All right, let's check your work. Clamp, clamp, C-L-A-M-P, clamp, and boys and girls, this should be clap, not camp. Clap, C-L-A-P, C-L-A-P. Ignore what is written here. C-L-A-P should be the correct answer. Now let's read the story, The Red Hen. Ready? The red hen. The red hen. Ben met. Ben met a red hen. The hen was wet. The hen was wet. The hen was sad. The hen was sad. The hen was not okay. The hen was not okay. Ben put the hen in his bed. Ben put the hen in his bed. The hen had a nap. The hen had a nap. The hen sat up. The hen sat up. Buck-a-buck, buck-a-buck, buck. The hen was okay. Ben put the hen out. Then Ben saw the bed had 10 eggs. Then Ben saw the bed had 10 eggs. Okay for the hen. Okay for Ben. The end. Let's go back and read it one more time all the way through. Ready? The red hen. The red hen. Ben met a red hen. The hen was wet. The hen was sad. The hen was not okay. Ben put the hen in his bed. The hen had a nap. The hen sat up. Buck-a-buck, buck-a-buck, buck. The hen was okay. Ben put the hen out. Then Ben saw the bed had 10 eggs. Okay for the hen, okay for Ben. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.